The last chord we're going to have a look at is pretty important. It's not one of the basic triads, but it seems to show up in quite a few songs. So let's check it out. This is going to be the B7 chord. And this is the main fingering. It involves all four fingers. There's only a few variations we can use here. So I can move the pinky from the second fret of the high string to the second fret of the B string and leave the high string open. And this gives me a B11. It's a relatively easy shape and transition. You're just moving the pinky up. So B7, B11. And then a very common one, but a little more challenging, is the B9 chord. It's more challenging because we have to do a little bar with a third finger here. So that's the shape. I'm always muting the low E string as best as I can, either with a thumb or just making sure I'm not playing it, just reminding you this. So these three shapes only, right? We've got B7, B11, and B9. That's my B9 shape that I just played. So we can use those, into a bar interchangeably. So you can go from or all those types of things. They're not massively different to each other, but again, it's a little thing to just change the voicing on the high notes and somehow move this chord a little more than playing, the same shape over and over. So let's check out a chord progression in the next video and make sure you practice those shapes.